Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. I often hear from people who use steam hoses complaining that the hoses are difficult to install because they are too heavy and it is hard to bend them. The TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose provides a solution to this kind of problem. Here let's compare hose flexibility and lightweight. We will use an ordinary metal flexible hose and rubber hose, and we'll compare them with the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose. Let's start by comparing flexibility. The test installs an 800 mm hose between loads set at a distance of 720 mm. Next we will apply load up to 10.5 newtons. 10.5 newtons is around the weight of a 1 liter pack of milk. We will then check how far we were able to push the hose down from 720 mm in order to compare the ease of hose bending. The top part of the meter shows the load. The bottom part shows how far the hose was pressed down by the tester. Now we will apply load up to approximately 10.5 newtons. We will start the test with the metal flexible hose. We were able to press the metal flexible hose down by around 9 mm. Next is the rubber hose. We were able to press the rubber hose down by around 8 mm. Next is the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose. We were able to press the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose down by around 62 mm. Compared to the metal flexible hose and rubber hose, the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose was pressed down around 7 times farther. Next we will check the amount of force required to press a hose installed at a distance of 720 mm down by 200 mm and compare the difference in the loads. We will start by pressing the metal flexible hose. Watch the part of the meter shown by the arrow. The metal flexible hose requires a force of 80.75 newtons. The rubber hose requires 97.7 newtons. But the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose required just 23.5 newtons. Compared to the other hoses, the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose is extremely flexible, with just a quarter of the reaction force to bending. This makes piping work easy to perform. The TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose is also very lightweight. Compared to the rubber hose, the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose is approximately 40% lighter. Because the TOYOSILICONE Steam S hose is flexible and lightweight, it can reduce the effort required during piping work. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel.